Hi. In the last training session outside Saltsjöbaden, we trained with B rigs and had difficulties to tack. So we were clear that we should be training jibe. So I thought I would be doing that today outside my home in Gustavsberg outside Stockholm. The conditions between 12 and 25 knots and somewhat snowy, a bit of rain, so not ideal conditions, but actually quite fun. It is not so easy to film with one hand and steer with two, so I don't sail perfectly here, but it's quite possible to sail and manage even stronger winds. When it comes to jibing, what I found out is of course that it is difficult in hard wind. You have to be careful not to involuntarily head up, going back where you came from. So take a second or two.